picking your nose, picking your nose, biting your nails, biting your nails, chewing with your mouth open, chewing with your mouth open, talking with your mouth full, talking with your mouth full, slurping your food, slurping your food, burping loudly, burping loudly, spitting, spitting, coughing without covering your mouth, coughing without covering your mouth, sneezing without covering your mouth, sneezing without covering your mouth, picking at scabs, picking at scabs, scratching excessively, scratching excessively, leaving the toilet seat up, leaving the toilet seat up, not flushing the toilet, not flushing the toilet, peeing on the toilet seat, peeing on the toilet seat, forgetting to wash your hands, forgetting to wash your hands, touching your face frequently, touching your face frequently, sharing utensils with others, sharing utensils with others, drinking directly from the carton, drinking directly from the carton, leaving dirty dishes in the sink, leaving dirty dishes in the sink, throwing trash on the floor, throwing trash on the floor, leaving clothes on the floor, leaving clothes on the floor, not putting toys away, not putting toys away, wasting water, wasting water, wasting food, wasting food, leaving lights on, leaving lights on, watching TV too close, watching TV too close, playing video games for too long, playing video games for too long, staying up late, staying up late, skipping breakfast, skipping breakfast, eating too much junk food, eating too much junk food, not brushing your teeth properly, not brushing your teeth properly, not showering regularly, not showering regularly, wearing dirty clothes, wearing dirty clothes, not cleaning your shoes, not cleaning your shoes, interrupting others, interrupting others, shouting, shouting, throwing tantrums, throwing tantrums, lying, lying, being rude, being rude, bullying others, bullying others, being selfish, being selfish, not sharing, not sharing, complaining, complaining, whining, whining, making excuses, making excuses, procrastinating, procrastinating, giving up easily, giving up easily, being afraid to try new things, being afraid to try new things, not listening to instructions, not listening to instructions, not respecting others, not respecting others.